welcome back to another monthly release video. I'm Danny, Splash's instructional designer, and if allergies weren't enough of a reminder that spring is here, well, then maybe this month's theme, titled In Bloom, is. Coming at you right now are some exciting new branded themes, who doesn't love that, and some upgrades to our BlueJeans and Salesforce integrations. Let's go hear about it.
What's happening, everybody? Pete Richardson here from Product Marketing. It is my pleasure to promote 3 new branded theme options coming your way this month. Our brilliant art director, Topher Edwards, dusted off his theme creation skills and delivered 3 dynamic templates to utilize for literally any event type you can imagine. They're designed to be clean and simple to get event hosts up and running fast, allowing for easy image swapping and content updates. But don't let their simplicity fool you. We have engineered these bad boys to automatically inherit your colors, fonts, and logos from your brand library. This means that the entire attendee experience has been thoughtfully constructed to stay on brand and look gorgeous. The 3 themes are named Exhibit, Curate, and Frame, and are built for consistency with similarities found between every touchpoint and email template, so you know exactly what you're getting every time you use one. Try them out today by locating them within the Recommended or Branded Themes tab when you create your next event.
Zach here, excited to tell you how our integration with BlueJeans webinars just got more powerful. You can now use the Splash email sender to send each guest their unique webinar join URL. Why this is great? It means every part of your attendee journey, including your confirmations and reminders, can be fully branded in Splash. It also means you're able to exercise more control over your email cadence. You can time your branded reminders to go out as often as you'd like, whenever you'd like. You're not locked into any default settings. Finally, this upgrade is really easy to use. In your integration settings, disable confirmation emails coming from BlueJeans, then simply use the BlueJeans webinar join URL tag in your confirmations and reminders. If you forget, don't sweat it. We'll even give you an in-platform reminder. Pretty easy, right? This same functionality is coming soon for Zoom webinars, so we'll keep you posted.
Hey, I'm Faisal, senior member of the solutions team here at Splash. Joining you today to share some exciting new updates on our Salesforce integration. Recently, we launched the ability to map 3 new fields at the campaign level: start time, end time, and time zone. For all you integration nerds out there like myself, you'll know previously you had to kind of format the date and time, which was all in one field, and make that work with your Salesforce fields. But now, full flexibility to pick and choose how you map that data and make sure the campaign object is built exactly the way you need. Go check it out.
And that's our May update for you. We hope you get some great use out of those awesome branded themes and all of our integration updates. Hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our Splash releases in the future, and as always, same time, same place, when? Oh yeah, next month.